Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I'm standing right here next to one of my favorite boats. This is a brand new 2023 Grady-White 235 Freedom in this beautiful sea glass green color. Let's go aboard and let me show you how awesome this boat is. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this brand new 2023 Grady-White 235 Freedom. I'm standing back here on this extended swim platform here in the transom area. Look at all the room back here. Look how you can walk across here. It is powered with the amazing all new redesign a year ago, the Yamaha 300 4-stroke engine. And as I walk through the transom door, I want to point out, look how thick this transom door is. I can literally stand on this and swing back and forth. As we come here, right here in the cockpit area, you've got your live well here, you've got enormous fish box here. Point out they're insulated, so it'll keep ice for a couple of days during the hot weather. You got your fold out bench seat. I really like this port side companion seating right here. With a button up front there, you can push and extend this port side lounge seat out so you can lay back if you're at the island or at the sandbar. Now this particular boat does come with the option of the optional wet bar. And look at this folks, you got another designated Yeti cooler, but how nice is this? Have a little sink right in here if you're fixing refreshments and so forth. As we continue to walk up here to the helm area, look at this beautiful captain's chair. Got your bolster here, plenty of room for your favorite electronics. Yamaha CL5 display here monitors your engine. You've got a control here for your Fusion stereo for the captain, and the head unit is over here on the port side, okay? And again, look at this forward-facing port side companion seat. You can literally fit two people here. You've got, here's the button and control here for that port side lounge seat. But folks, look at this. Look at this beautiful head with the teak accents in here. A very usable pump out head. As we walk forward, I want to point out that on this 235 Freedom, it comes with an enormous oversized hardtop to provide plenty of shade when you're out there in the hot sun. You've got storage up underneath the helm here, and when you're out in the elements, whether you got caught in rain or if it's chilly like it is today, you can completely close the windshield off, close this off, sit down behind the windshield here and stay warm without getting all that cold wind or rain on you. As we come up here to the bow, look at all the forward seating here for a nice ride out or back in, or if you're just sitting at the island or the sandbar. Look at the recessed bow rails here to hold on to. Comes with a windlass anchor up front there. Folks, what an amazing boat. You've got insulated fish boxes and coolers up here, up underneath these seats. I would love to have the opportunity to show you this boat. It's one of my favorite boats, actually. But give me a call directly. Again, my name is Kenny Brown. You can reach me at 850-596-8108. And I look forward to seeing you. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.